If you want to save and secure your YouTube channel, you have to on two-step authentication, means verify YouTube channel. After verify your YouTube channel, you'll get some facilities such as you can upload longer videos like 15 minutes or more. You can set custom thumbnail and many more. So viewers, you are watching Tahsan's unique tech YouTube channel. I'm with you, Tahsan. So let's start the video.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Hope you all enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like this video, share this video with friends, give your feedbacks of the video in the comment box, and smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.